So you're thinking of moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, North Las Vegas? But you're not sure what neighborhood is going to be the right fit for you and your family. Well, then this video is for you, because we're going to take you through the master plan community of Aliante and show you some different price points of homes so you can see what may fit within your budget. And we're going to get after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about eating, sleeping, working, playing the good and the bad about living in Las Vegas and the surrounding areas, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the very first to know about the current market here in Las Vegas. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and the team and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Las Vegas. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Las Vegas. So as I mentioned, we are here in Aliante, the largest master plan community in North Las Vegas, just south of the Sheep Mountain foothills that you may be able to see right over here behind me, encompassing 1,906 acres and offers a wide range of amenities for everyone of all ages, including 45 acres of scenic parks, man-made lakes, an amphitheater, championship golf, and the epicenter of this community, the Aliante Casino and Hotel, right over here behind me. In total, there's 400 acres of commercial development with shopping, dining, and other leisure activities. Aliante is located right off the 215 Beltway and Aliante Parkway, located right over here, providing easy access to popular destinations like Nellis Air Force Base, which is just 7.5 miles away and a 15-minute drive, give or take, on the 215 freeway. Then you have the VA Hospital in North Las Vegas, only 5 miles away from here, making it just about an 8-minute drive. Then the Las Vegas Strip is 22 miles from here, and depending on traffic conditions, can be anywhere from a 20 to 25-minute drive. Then lastly, you've got downtown Summerlin, a popular outdoor shopping and dining destination, is approximately 19 miles away, or a 20-minute drive. Development of this community started in 2002 and today has over 7,000 homes with 20,000 residents. There are several neighborhoods that are either gated, guard gated, or age qualified, such as the popular Sun City Aliante that offers resort style living for residents 55 and over. The homes were built by top builders such as Del Webb, DR Horton, KB Home, Pulte, and Party Homes, which is now Tri Point Homes. If you're looking for a North Las Vegas community where you can get more home for your money, then Aliante is an excellent option to consider. Aliante hosts various community events throughout the year that bring residents together for fun and entertainment. From outdoor concerts and movie nights to holiday events and parades, there is always something happening in this community. In addition, there's also various clubs and organizations catering to different interests, including book clubs, hiking groups, and volunteer organizations. It's no wonder Aliante is a popular destination for families, professionals, and retirees alike. So let's go stroll through a few neighborhoods to see what homes are available. Our first stop in Aliante is in the gated subdivision of Tanglewood in the southern portion of the community. This home here listed behind me is for $480,000 and is 2,462 square feet, which comes out to an outstanding value of $195 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 2018 which is one of the newest subdivisions here within the master plan. This spacious KB-built home provides an open floor plan between the kitchen, living, and dining areas. The chef's kitchen has dark chocolate cabinets with granite countertops, a center island, and stainless steel appliances. The office downstairs has a custom barn door, which could count as a 5th bedroom if needed. Upstairs has a roomy loft and primary suite with a large walk-in closet. Additional amenities include a tankless water heater, a Vivint doorbell camera and security system, an HVAC system with an extended warranty all the way until 2038, and upgraded carpeting. The open backyard features no maintenance, synthetic turf, and pavers. You know, this contemporary home is really in turnkey condition. I mentioned earlier, Aliante is home to over 400 acres of commercial development with various shopping and dining options, making it easy for residents to find everything they need close to home. The Aliante Marketplace is only less than a half a mile away from this community and is a popular shopping destination with big name retailers like Target and Walmart and local boutiques and specialty stores. This area is also has several dining options ranging from fast food chains all the way up to upscale restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for sushi, Italian cuisine, or classic American fare, you're gonna find something satisfying for your taste buds. There's also additional major retailers like Costco, Kohl's, and Home Depot as well in the area. Lots of shopping for your daily necessities are absolutely available right here in Aliante. So let's go take a drive around this wonderful neighborhood to get a feel for it. Our next stop is in the gated subdivision of Autumn Ridge, just south of the 215 Beltway. And this community has absolutely incredible views of the Sheep Mountain Range I mentioned about earlier, right over here behind me. Absolutely stunning to see when you walk out of your driveway and see those mountains. This home over here is listed for $599,999, and it's 3,398 square feet, which comes to $177 per square foot, which is another incredible value here in Aliante. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 2007. This popular floor plan features separate living, dining, and great rooms with ample space for entertaining. The open kitchen has an extended center island with new white cabinets, stainless steel appliances including double convection ovens, and granite countertops. The bedrooms are spacious, including the large primary bedroom and bathroom with dual vanities and a separate soaking tub, and it even has its own private balcony, as you can probably see over here. You know, the backyard has a covered patio, a couple mature trees, and plenty of space to make your own. This home backs up directly to the most popular park in the master plan, Aliante Discovery Park, which means no neighbors behind you. You know, this clean and bright home has so much to offer. With 300 plus days of sunshine throughout the year, communities across the Las Vegas Valley have a strong focus on nature and outdoor living, and Aliante is no exception. Nature lovers will appreciate the Aliante Nature Discovery Park, which I just mentioned about over here behind these homes. It features a scenic pond, playgrounds, and picnic areas. Additional parks in the community include Deer Springs and Avery Park. Each offers unique amenities like baseball fields, basketball courts, and jogging trails. Aside from the parks, Aliante has a state-of-the-art community center with a gym, pool, and spa. The center also offers meeting rooms and a kitchen, making it an ideal place to host events and gatherings for your friends and family. For golf enthusiasts, you have the Aliante Golf Club, an 18-hole championship course, is a must-visit destination located right here inside the community. The course was designed by renowned architect Gary Panks and offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and city. I played it a few weeks ago and I can tell you it's an absolutely fantastic golf experience. So let's go take a drive around this wonderful subdivision of Autumn Ridge. Our last stop in touring homes in Aliante is in the gated subdivision of the Estates at Aliante, one of the premier communities in all of the master plan. This home here listed behind me is for $769,000 and it's 3,324 square feet, which comes out to $231 per square foot. It is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2003. This single-story home is located on a large quarter-acre lot here at the end of a nice, quiet cul-de-sac, as you can see over here behind me. You practically have the entire end of the street to yourself. On the interior, there are tile plank floors throughout, 2-tone paint, wood shutters, and a custom glass front door are all key features of this beautiful home. The kitchen offers granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, a center island, and a breakfast bar. The primary bedroom has a steam shower along with a slip tub. And the big backyard is an excellent place to entertain with a covered patio, a sparkling swimming pool, above-ground spa, a custom bar with the built-in barbecue, and retractable shades for when that sun is setting. One other valuable amenity this home has to offer is that it has solar, but the solar is completely paid off free and clear, meaning your monthly electric bill will only be roughly $20 or less every single month, a tremendous savings. There's a lot to like about this home. As far as education goes, Aliante schools are part of the Clark County School District, which is the 5th largest school district in the country. Aliante is home to 4 high schools, 3 middle schools, and 6 elementary schools with varying rankings according to greatschools.org. The Aliante branch of the North Las Vegas Library offers children's arts and crafts, story time, and a growing Spanish collection, cultural and civic programs, and public computers with internet access. It's a great facility for your children. The learning opportunities are plentiful here in this community. So with that said, let's go take a drive around the Estates at Aliante and see what you think about it. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of the popular master plan community of Aliante. I'm curious, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, how would you rate this community compared to others you've seen on my channel? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial. So please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas of Las Vegas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel Aliante checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right North Las Vegas community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assist in getting your offer accepted on your ideal home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even book a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and stress-free move to Aliante. So until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.